Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasis Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about acceleration due to gravity and we also derived the formula of acceleration due to gravity. Now in this video, we are going to discuss that how to find the value of acceleration. So today we will find the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth or on the earth and value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. So first of all we will find the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth or on the earth. As we know that G is equal to G me upon re square. Let this is equation number 1. As we know, G is gravitational constant which value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square or kilogram minus 2, and mass of earth me is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilogram, and re radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now when we will put this value in equation number 1, we can get the value of G. So from equation 1, acceleration due to gravity G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, mass of earth, this one 6 into 10 to the power 24, and radius of earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 square. So when we will calculate this one, it will be G is equal to 9.8 Newton per kilogram, and you know that 1 Newton is 9.8 into Newton, kilogram meter per second square. So kg, it will be kg meter per second square upon this one, this kg. So this kg will be cancelled. So it will be 9.8 meter per second square. So this is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. Means by this acceleration the earth attract any other object towards it. Now after this we will find the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. By this formula we can find out the value of acceleration due to gravity, but in this case we will use the mass of moon and the radius of moon. So the acceleration on moon, G moon, we will write it G moon is equal to gravitational constant G. This is mass of moon, so we will write it mm upon rm square, where G is gravitational constant, mm mass of moon, and rm is the radius of the moon. So G we know 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kilo per kilogram square, and mass of moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kilogram. This is the mass of moon, and the radius of moon Rm is 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 meter. So this is the value of radius of moon, this is mass of moon, and this is gravitational constant, which is same everywhere in the universe. So now we will put it in this one. So G moon is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into here 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 upon 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 square. After calculation, we will get it value 1.6 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. Now we can compare this one, G moon upon G earth. So let's compare the value of G moon and G earth. So G moon upon G, we will write it here earth, or GE we can write it. So 1.6 upon 9.8, both are meter per second square. So it will be about 1/6, because 16 6 and 96, so it will be about 1/6. So from where we conclude that the gravity or the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon is 1/6 of the gravity on the surface of earth. So today we discussed about the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth as well as on the surface of moon, and we compared both gravity, and we find that the gravity on the moon is about 1/6 of the surface of earth. That's all. Thank you.